Okay, now the store is open. We just have to wait for customers. Steve, look at this car.
I should buy some beauty supplies. Happy Funny Doll.
Okay, now the store is open. Now we just have to wait for customers.
Come on, Mommy. I'm already here at the store. Okay, Stacie, we're coming. Wow, look at this nice store. Do you like it, Stacie?
Yes, I do.
Ooh. So, in which section we will go, Stacie?
Let's go to the food section.
Oh, okay. I will go to the car section, okay, honey?
Okay. So what should we get from this section, Mommy?
I think we should get some orange juice and some pancakes because we don't have any more pancakes and you know that I don't know how to make pancakes, but I really want to.
Okay.
So take the orange juice and all of the pancakes, I think.
All of them? But
Yeah.
what about other people's?
Well, I don't know.
Well, let's just get these two big ones, okay?
Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so we'll leave some for the people. So, Stacie, what section we will go now?
Let's go to the toy section so we can find something also for Applejack and Shimer and Aurora.
Okay.
Mommy, we have to get the shopping bag.
Oh.
I forgot.
Oh, yes. I can't believe it. We forgot. That's the most important thing.
Okay, here it is. Let's put the stuff in.
Okay.
There.
So, Stacie, what should we get from this section?
What?
Because I don't know what Applejack and Shimmer likes, and you.
Okay. Let's get these two girls and this kitty.
Okay, I think that's good. Take them and put them to the shopping basket. And then, what do you think? I see a dough section over there. You need some dough for crafting, right?
Let's get only one red one.
Yeah, because we have some.
Yes.
Squishy. Now, Stacie, I'll look at the beauty supplies and look at this cozy section. Do you want to look at this one?
Ooh, I can see pebbles and books and other cute stuff. But first, let's move the basket so no one gets our stuff.
Okay.
Okay, you can go to the
Beauty supply section?
Yes, I was remembering the word. And I will stay here.
Okay. And then I'll go to the beauty supply section.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hi. What's your name?
Maria.
My name is Valentina. If you have any question from the store, you can just ask me.
No, I was just buying some beauty supplies.
Okay, well, go ahead. Let's get some beauty supplies. Let's start getting the beauty supplies, but first I need to get a basket from here because there is no space in the other one. So let's get some lipstick. Oopsies.
Oh, that's a problem, Stacie.
What happened?
I need some help.
Let me see.
An accident.
I think you should tell Valentina for help. But
Okay, but before that, please help me move this shelf.
okay.
There.
Okay. We need to call Valentina right now.
Valentina?
Yes?
I'm sorry, but we have a little problem.
What's the problem?
I accidentally filled the shelf. We put it back, but the stuff are down.
Wait, let me see what shelf. Oh, that's not a problem. I mean, that fall every time, so it's not a problem. Don't worry.
I'll pick them up because it was my fault.
Okay, thank you so much for cleaning it up. And whoa, for this compliment, your hair is so long, Maria.
Thanks. Okay, there we go. And
Okay, thank you very much for cleaning up.
It was my fault anyway, so you don't have to say sorry Thank you. I have to say sorry.
It's alright. That was just an accident.
Okay, so now that the problem is fixed, I will get a last one, and it's this one. Okay, let's go to Stacie now. Stacie?
Yes?
Sweetie, do you find anything?
Yes, of course I find it. I find this unicorn face, but can I please get it? I tried on it and it's my size.
Well, let me think about it. Of course. Yes.
Yay! I love it. Mommy, let's see. Wait.
You don't have to try to read the store, please.
I'm a little unicorn.
I can see, and it looks like you're sleeping.
Yes, because your eyes are closed. Let's put it.
Okay, do you want anything else from this
Yes,
section?
of course. This pony stuffy, it's so adorable, and I don't have any stuffies. But can I please get it? Please.
Yes, I can. I hope the daddy's not buying anything expensive like she always do. Wait. Yes, I always do this mistake.
What?
Let's put it there.
Okay, but my face mask?
Yes, of course.
Let's put it right here.
Okay, there. Wait, in the beauty supplies, I find a hairband in your size. Do you need any hairband?
Yes, I need.
Let me go get it. I'm sure you'll like it. Here.
Well, it's really nice and it has a red gem. Can we get this, Mommy?
Of course. I tell you if you want to get it.
Okay, let's put it here. Okay, great.
Perfect. Ooh, look at these cute turtles.
Oh, I think we should get the big one. It's really nice.
Okay, we can also use it as a decoration. Put it at the big basket.
Yes.
There. Okay, let's go to Daddy now.
Okay, let's go. Mommy, help me with this.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I will take this one.
Okay, I'll take this one.
There.
Let's go to Daddy. Oh, it's all right.
Fine.
Let's put it there.
Wait, if you put this up, then the turtle... Oh, he's still out.
Let's push it.
Ooh, so many
Oh, here's my skateboard that I can't.
Yes. Ooh, I think Daddy will like this.
I think so too.
Steve, look at this car.
What car? Whoa, I love that car. Whoa, it's really nice. You're right, Maria.
Ooh, these looks nice. I will ask Mommy if we can get them because I have an idea how to use them at home. This one is pretty cool. Let's get also this one. Mommy,
Yes?
can we please buy these two, especially this one? Because look how cool it is. Look at him out.
Yes. And you girls and Shimer and Applejack have been really nice. So I think, yes, we'll get both of them.
Perfect. I will put them in my skateboard.
Okay. And me and Daddy was thinking about this new car. Do you like it?
Yes, it's with hearts and it's pink. My second favorite color, because my first one is purple.
It's exactly green.
What do you mean green?
I mean that your favorite color is green.
Yeah, but now I actually have changed it. I love purple. I love
Okay, I didn't know. So, Steve, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Well, I don't know, because I'm not at your mind. But if you're thinking that you get this pink car, even if it's pink and you like it, then okay. I think we're thinking the same thing.
Yes, that was exactly what I was thinking, honey. So
You two minds are a bit complicated. But as much as I understand you, I think we will get the car.
okay, so Stacie, get your stuff because I think we're ready to pay. But
Everything is here.
yes, but look what I see there: scooters, skateboard.
Ooh, let's get that. We have some scooters and stuff and bikes, but let's buy that skateboard.
Yes,
We don't have small skateboards at home.
yes, for Applejack and Shimer and Aurora. Okay, so let's get everything and let's go pay.
Okay. Oh, hello.
Hi, we want to get this skateboard for my little sisters.
Oh, okay then.
So Daddy, did we got everything we need?
Oh, yes, we got. But wait. We're new. It's our first time. I mean, that we come at this shop, and we don't know where is the cash at registry.
Yes, I can show you. Do you need anything here from this section? I mean,
No, I think we will like only this one, right, Mommy?
yes,
And
but
the
what
car.
about?
Yes,
Oh, yes, the car.
The car.
Oh, yes.